Hello everybody, Scout Crane Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Broad Green, wherever the sign is. Departing now is going to be 319, the 362 Northern Powerhouse departing to Liverpool Lime Street. You love this train. With the 1208 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street.
Hurry up, phone! You piece of shit. Don't worry, in about an hour and 20, we've got one of the fittest Northern Guardsmen that I've just had her on my train.
Wow. And also...
That's all on the video, isn't it?
It is.
Oh shit.
Well done. And also arriving in, we're going to have the 1209. I know that's the 1209 to Wigan North Western.
I'll do it here in your video.
So we have 319, 361 off to Wigan North Western from Liverpool Lime Street. So as this arrives in, you'll be seeing services by Northern and also a bit of Transpennine if we are lucky. So then, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Broad Green. Enjoy, guys. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1209 Northern service to Wigan North Western via Huyton. Full on hellfire. Absolute hellfire. Nine. 319, 361. Good station this, it's a bit like Huyton, except with two platforms.
Services by Northern
And Transpennine.
So there's a 74 and
And the next stop from that will probably be Roby. Hello.
the trolling's already beginning, it's real.
Okay, ready to pass through now is going to be a Northern 319 to Liverpool South Parkway from Preston. $319, $380.
Yes.
Nice. Did you do that?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
No.
You're not Bob Ranger?
No, I'm not. I have to hold myself back from saying that.
I'll probably edit that out.
Oh shit.
It's a map.
Okay, passing through now, we're going to have a new liveried Transpennine. $185,108 bound for Newcastle with the new livery. Well, it's not really new now, it's been out for about 2-3 months.
Well, technically still is new because there's very little trains got it on yet.
True, very true. 2 cranes still in it.
Yeah.
Pretty good though. Okay, passing through now is going to be a Manchester Airport service from Liverpool Lime Street. Ready to speed up for its next station. $319, $377.
Hashtag Hellfire.
Hashtag thrash. You can never beat a bit of 319 Hellfire porn.
That's just porn there.
That is.
Pornhub. Pornhub for trains.
Pretty much is.
I'm plugging it around now.
In the ghetto. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 1226 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Banky. What? So we have 150, 138, looking at it. And also we have a 156 on the rear. Which we have 156, 468. Okay, departing now is going to be 150, 138 and 156, 468 with the 1226 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Banky. and the guard just giving us a very, very scary looking. Oh, friends! Best friends! And that's off to its next stop of Wavertree Technology Park before stopping at Egg Hill. Well, listen to this. Platform 1, we're on platform 1. That's just left platform 1, so whatever's passing through now must be in a red signal. Oh well then, scary. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:30 Northern service to Manchester Victoria, originating from Liverpool Lime Street. That sun is really bright, so I might as well slip on my sunglasses, because as a lot of people are starting to say, they are very authentic. So it's 319368. Oh my god! And catching us right off guard was 319375, operating a service from Manchester Airport to Liverpool Lime Street. Just absolutely bowling this, but that has now arrived in. Right? Yes. Okay, departing now is going to be the 12:30 Northern service to Manchester Victoria. Thank you.
By Willows
And Highton.
Yeah. 368 again.
It was the same train, it never changed.
I would like to congratulate this horrific individual.
Says the one.
Mr. Shaky Camera work that way.
There's shaky camera work.
Yeah, but it's still
Are you sure about that?
Can we just leave him? Just get on any rail train.
Shall we just like leave him on the TP?
Just get on any train.
Alright, passing through now is going to be a Northern service to Preston.
No, it's Preston only.
It's just Preston only. Yeah, so it is a 150.
Now approaching is Northern out, 150, Preston, Liverpool South Parkway.
But what if it's wave?
150, 134.
150, 134. And a great two-tone from the driver. Thank you very much to him. I said thank you very much to you as well. And why are you in my camera shot?
Because you need something good to look at, don't you?
That is alright to look at. I'm pretty. It's better than you. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:39 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western. Yeah, that'll be this way. That'll be on the 12:40, I think. So we have 319371.
Saturday, doing full out.
Yeah, but we usually sort that. If Sam used it,
Alright, now departing is going to be 319371 to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western with the 12:39 Northern service. Then we should have the 12:40 arriving. Super hellfire though, isn't it? I'll be seeing them in Bedford next week, won't I? Oh, sorry. Sorry.
The train gets there and it blows up halfway.
Well, my Meridian just goes kaboom.
no, just go straight to the.
Just goes into a 700 and it's like, oh well.
Oh no.
Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:41 Northern service to Wigan North Western, originating from Liverpool Lime Street. So leading it we have 319362 making its appearance again from our journey that we went on, Northern Powerhouse. And then we should see that depart. Okay, departing now is going to be the 12:41 Northern service. Yeah, it's delayed by nearly 3 minutes now, isn't it? Tut tut tut. Which is 3:19, 12:31. That's a great. That is brilliant. And that's off to Northwestern. I don't know. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:51 Northern service to Liverpool Line Street. From
Manchester Victoria.
is it from Manchester Victoria?
You're from Manchester or Warrington?
Yeah.
Manchester.
Is it? Oh yeah, that's so it has to be Manchester. Yes. No. No.
So it's not Manchester.
So we have 319374. Yes, I am a legend.
Oh, Prescott.
Yeah, it's full of legends, us too.
Well, not you.
Yeah. Are you sure?
You've not earned the right to be a legend yet.
I think I am. Oh, thrash when it leaves. Okay, ready to start now is going to be the 12:51 Northern service to Liverpool Line Street from Manchester Victoria. With a bit of pantograph thrash there. We're 319374. Okay, arriving in now is going to be 156, 468 and 150, 138, forming the 12:55 Northern service to Warrington Bank Quay. Pretty empty 156 and another pretty empty 150. Was I in your way? Okay, departing now is going to be 150, 138 and 156, 468 with the 12:55 Northern service to Warrington Bank Quay. Via Huyton, Rainhill, Earlstown. And there's Grace doing Hellfire. Well, it kind of is a Hellfire. It's a flail, I must have said. Right at the end.
Didn't get that.
Pretty good sound, that. And also arriving in, we should have the Trans-Pennine ready to pass through now, according to Mr. Chav Dewhurst. Just called him Mr. Chav Dewhurst. According to them, the Trans-Pennine's coming.
3 minutes.
No, it's here. Quick, quick, quick. And this is going to be a service from Newcastle to Liverpool Line Street.
Transport line from Newcastle.
So 185, 110. Absolutely flying.
I'm sure. I didn't get the number.
It was 110.
Was it?
Yeah.
110.
Yeah. With a fantastic two-tone.
I love the 105.
Yeah. Okay, passing. Arriving in now, and I've just got stroked by a chav's. I'm scared now. But as I was saying, arriving in is the 1308. I swear to God, I will stab you. The 1308 to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western. So we have 319 367. Why are you stroking my hair as well? Yeah, I don't stroke you because you're a chav, do I?
No, it just sounds like a broken.
I know it does. Sounds a bit dodgy, let's say. Okay, also arriving in down there is going to be the 1309 Northern service to Wigan North Western. I couldn't see the numbers there, but I'll probably see it as when this goes. Let's just look through the window. There it is. And now the 1308 is now departing to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western. So ready and going now. The iconic sounds. And also we have 319371 forming the 1309 Northern service to Wigan North Western from Liverpool Lime Street. So yeah, that should depart any minute. Oh, it's departing now, I think. Yeah, it's departing now. Oh yeah, the ding ding. Just going, yeah. No, it's me old one. Wait. You're on the wrong platform for that.
Yeah.
Oh well.
Just have missed it.
You've missed it by a minute now, but oh well. Okay, passing through now is going to be a Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle from Liverpool Lime Street. (185,146). Thank you, Liam. Okay, ready to pass through now is going. Oh, yeah, it is passing through. Is going to be service to Liverpool South Parkway from Preston. Formed of a normal Northern 139. (319 379) with a nice one tone and a fantastic whiz of that pants graph. What a great noise that makes.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 will be the 1326 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street.
Okay, passing through now is going to be a service to Manchester Airport from Liverpool Lime Street.
From Liverpool Lime Street.
Straight away. (319 375) with a low one tone, but still a good one tone, I have to admit. And arriving in is going to be the 1326 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Bank Quay. I don't want to, thanks.
I'm not asking you to anyway.
I'd rather not, thanks. So, on this we have 319 376. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, departing now is going to be 319 376 to Liverpool Lime Street from Warrington Bank Quay with the 1326 service. And then we should have a Network Rail MPV ready to pass through any minute now. Okay, down in the distance we have a Network Rail MPV ready to pass by on single yellow, so I'm not sure what's what. Sorry. Oh god, now I'm braced. DR 98902 and 952.
And Manchester Victoria. This train has 4 carriages.
Okay, arriving and now it's going to be the 1339 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western. 319361. I'm actually so gutted. I've just missed. Like, I've not been filming for a bit to let me phone charge, and I've just missed a great tone off of probably one of my favourite drivers. I am so gutted. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1339 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street from Wigan North Western. Oh wow, you've just nearly bumped into me. Oh, Liam, he's funny, isn't he? Yes. That is so true.
Oh.
Hello, darkness, my old friends. Just look at.
Platform 2 for the 1341 Northern service to Wigan North Western.
Okay, and also arriving in will probably be my final train of the day. It's going to be the 1341 Northern service to Wigan North Western
Wigan North Western
from Liverpool Lime Street. So on it we have 319367.
Business is great. Hence bird.
Oh, it's great.
Business is great.
Okay, departing now is going to be the 1341 Northern service to Wigan North Western from Liverpool Lime Street, calling at all stations to Wigan North Western, where the green signal just gone, so it is cleared to run. So with that departing off to Wigan North Western, I shall conclude the video there. So thank you for watching my broad green video. I do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. I'm charging you, come here.
And today I am at Broad Green
I've just-
on the Liverpool Manchester line.
Do you know what? I might just end it straight here. I'm not going to give you shout outs.
Oh,
Oh.
I'm brilliant.
Yeah, you should be.
You got my heart.
Alright, fine then. So, as I was saying, here today was Trains Fan UK, the Train Spotter 5000, Blundellville videos, and you're not getting a shout out.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, I'm Northern Train Spotter 97. So, Broad Green's been a great station. I've actually really enjoyed it. It's like Highton but with 2 platforms. Only bad thing is I missed a really good tone off my favourite driver. I'm finishing.
I'm waiting for the MPV to come back. The MPV
What?
due back.
I can't be bothered filming it, I'll just take a picture.
Well, I'm getting it filming. You'll get a better shot of it here because you actually see the water skates play on the track.
I know, that's why I'm going to take a pro picture. So, yeah, my next station's going to be Liverpool Central, both levels, the Willows line and the Northern line. Hopefully we'll be alright to go on there. According to Liam, if we've got a ticket, we'll be fine. So, I hope as well. So, yes. Shut up, you. He's dirty, isn't he? So, yes, from me here at Broad Green, I shall see you in Liverpool Central. Bye, guys.